Yay!
People be aware. Next objective, green building.
Yep, yellow flag.
Yellow flag.
When's it in play?
Out in Zion, there's a Euro Club.
Yeah. When does that go in play?
Yeah.
When is that in play?
They haven't announced it yet.
Okay, what's current objective then?
Current objective is lemonade stand.
That's the only
That's
one?
at market right now.
That's the only one?
Yeah.
Doing what? No shirt?
Yeah.
He hates himself on the inside is what it is.
He's a
also gotten
sadist.
his teeth shot out.
Yay!
He does the same thing I do where you don't wear lower face protection.
Yeah, that's why I do this now.
I just tempt fate left and right.
Alright, heads up Todd, the next objective in the town is going to be the lime green building with the giant yellow flag on south end of town. We're heading there now.
Tony, I may be retarded, but I'm not that retarded.
Huh?
I may be retarded, but I'm not that retarded.
You're not retarded. You're just special.
Yeah.
You ready to fuck shit up with that thing? We want to go in Mineshaft? Because this building's connected to it.
I'm not sure. I'm just telling Isaac that if anyone's in a building, call the grenade launcher, dude. There's no fucking rockets I'm out of this world. If it works, which they never work.
He's got taggins.
Tony, are you going to buy another one of those?
They actually shoot.
Oh, they're foam.
Or chalk.
Nope, they're explosive.
Oh, I want to see this. And Will lets that shit fly here?
Yep, because they're not major.
Whose kid is this?
Ours. He's also a medic. So am I.
Huh?
He's a medic and I'm a medic, so.
My thing was, he's like, I'm like,
The reason I wear this is because I'm hot and I just don't care. He's like, or you're stupid. Oh, I put the mouth of it.
I don't see anyone. Like, I actually think we could just take the building right now.
Yeah, fuck it.
hey
let's
guys,
do
keep
it.
pushing forward. Go to the next building.
Not on this side.
Alright, let's go to the next one.
Or we can
Held up. We got friendly up ahead. We got it. We have friendly on hospital.
I'm gonna sit inside or like right behind a washing machine.
Yeah, Simon, we're gonna find you a fucking spot. Come here. We helped build this fucking building.
Josh. Where are you? Other side. Hey, you want me to clear the building real fast? Yeah, why don't you come over here? Go through this door. Hey, PJ. Hey, PJ.
Simon, get in here.
Alright, it's clear up until there you go. Can Simon get inside of here?
I was thinking that silver one.
I didn't clear that far. When do you want to clear that?
Yeah, I'll clear it. That's what we're gonna do. Get in that one.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
That was a joke.
I'm not joking. Get in there.
I can't fit in there.
It's gonna look great for the grams and the YouTube. Get in there.
No.
Yes.
It's not Talbot.
Remember guys, only for 10 minutes. You'll get through.
Not at all. Not even a little bit. You got contact?
Yeah.
Where, Fatco?
The forest.
Simon, come here. Oh shit. Blue building, blue building. There was movement in there. Get in there.
I can't fit in there.
Here, give me your gun and fucking put your legs in there and get in there.
Where are they?
I can't fit
I
in
saw movement at the blue building, but I can't confirm if that was us or not. Get in there.
Yeah.
there. I can't fit in it.
Sit your ass down in there. Yeah, he ain't fitting. Lame. Alright, there's your shit bag.
2 years ago, I did.
Oh, for sure. Where is that come from, Fatco or blue building?
Forest to the left of that forest. Yeah. It's one dude who's wearing shorts. Simon, stand in the corner where you won't get hit.
I don't see him, dude. Just keep your corner. Win it. Win it and keep it.
Can you stand on the washing machine?
I think so. You signed a waiver, right?
No, but we did that shit years ago. I think if you come often enough, they don't make you sign it. I signed a waiver.
I don't see him, dude.
He was there. I'm not fucking crazy.
Oh, I know he was there because he was shooting back at you.
Should I go to where you are?
Huh?
Should I go to where you are?
No, we need somebody to make sure we don't get fucked from Mineshaft. Where's Isaac? He's on that. Oh.
Move forward a little bit. We have a teammate in the building.
I want to make sure they don't get us from Mineshaft too, though. You know? Because there's 2 entrances right there.
Hold that sign, yeah, because the kids are going to try to flank in into it.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go up.
Tell me when I should leave this spot.
That was a green. I'll let you know if you need to leave. Just like in here.
But farther back, so.
I got lucky that one time, so fuck. Oh! Fatco! 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 Nope. Oh, that time I got hit. Simon, come here. I need some loving.
Grab my hand.
I'm too far. Put that on me. That barely grazed my pants. Dude, undo the thing. And then you tighten it. And then there you go. Okay. Alright, I'm back up, but if I get hit again, I'm fucking dead.
Why? You get you 2.
No, you get 1.
You get 2.
You get 2?
Yeah, you get 2.
I think they only said 1 today, but okay.
The rule said that it's 2.
He's not at Fatco anymore. Or if he is, he's not peeking. Nope, he's there. He's on the left corner interior room. You know where that shelf is at in there? He's in that room, peeking out that way. Okay then. No.
I can shoot a Washington team too. I heard contact on the left side by Mineshaft.
Oh, I would have fucking brought the haymaker on his ass.
In the forest, there's somebody.
Okay, I got Fatco. That thing is loud for having a suppressor on it.
Strikes are not suppressor.
That's why. It's like a baby amp. I forgot to get you that suppressor. No, don't go to me. I know you're bored. Just hang out there. You're actually doing a very important job. He crossed over, right? If you see any movement, shoot first, ask questions later. Change. Because they could be in Mineshaft if they're that close to the woods.
I got contact in the north and left.
Okay. Hey, Isaac? You still on the outside of that building? Isaac! Isaac, do you copy?
You hear what he said?
What?
He said keep shooting if you're gay.
Oh, okay.
Back to respawn.
Copy.
What do you say?
Todd's going back to respawn.
Tell Todd to come here. We could use a sniper after.
Todd, if you, when you come back, when you're back up, please come to the green building. We could use your sniper.
If you could just stand right here and shoot through the forest gap.
Say, huh?
I'm 2 buildings up in the blue building. I got dudes across the street from me.
Copy. Yeah, I was just going to say, watch Fatco. We just saw somebody push north on that building. I'm so mad my other radio's fucking dead.
Oh, I got him.
You got him?
Yeah, he walked back.
Good.
I don't see anybody in there.
Oh, holy shit. Oh, you fucking cunt. I'm going to get you. No, I didn't get hit, but oh, man. Copy. Be advised, we do have tangos in Fatco. Dude, what the fuck is it that you're sticking out? We're definitely hitting it. Stop firing.
Thank you. He just moved it back.
Yeah, it was a thing. It wasn't a person.
Any piece of your gear or kit.
If they've put it on like a stick or something.
Tony, do you want to have the ref call him? There was a guy in Fatco who
Like right in this gap here.
Part of your gear, right?
Like,
Or it could have been a gun.
If it's, well, here's the thing. If it's just a gun hits don't count unless the BB were to go through the gun and hit you. So if I'm holding it like this and you're shooting at the side, it doesn't count as a hit.
But there was so much sticking out, I feel like, I don't know.
I don't think it was a gun either. It looked like a helmet.
Shooting his gun, that doesn't count as a hit.
If they put a helmet on the stick or something like that, does that count?
Let's say you're holding your gun down like this though, BB comes like this.
Yo!
Goes off, you'd be dead. Or for instance,
They have what?
This goes up front, you're dead. Yeah. But if you're like,
Hold on. What? Copy. Your building?
Yeah. No, the one in front,
Fatco. Gotcha.
by the way, you get like 2 minutes until like in the
2 minutes until what?
until like reach flag.
Okay. Do we got any more guys over here?
Is Isaac still up there?
Hey, Isaac, are you still on that blue building?
Oh my god, there's a bird right here.
I am.
Copy. Consider pulling back to green. The other guy on the south end of the blue building just got killed. Have we got anybody on that fucking door over there? Oh.
Yo, I'm about to run through the front door. Can y'all not shoot me?
Yep. There is a lot of fire coming from Fatco, so don't come in that way.
This guy's got some real hatred towards the washing machine.
Covering the street.
Oh my god. There's a bird sitting up there.
Oh yeah. Don't shoot it. The little baby. It's so cute.
Is Simon still there?
Yeah. Simon's still there.
There's a door on that other side, correct?
Correct.
Simon,
Oh, fuck you.